Action. Trubena. Nguboli swali.
Mboli.
No be honest. Mukristo.
Umukristo.
Ngwanda we kanisa.
Ngo chinde kanisa.
Ndaigore kanisa noche.
Yao.
Mbomo pastor.
Tarimon.
Why?
Maita mangana kenyoro manto nyamanyete.
No, garongo igore kanisa yona tolegire ndata ko beta jiri ngore kanisa.
Pon toro chino ne motive yayo ko gore kanisa nire. Abantu ba ko gore kanisa barandi. Ayo ko gore kanisa otwale chibe.
Bado garongo nyi igora ntwara chibe bado ngorandi inde.
Onye goko ndo simbe ngibakoro ko montori okokonya otafsiri ngibakoro.
Mukalimani.
Como mukalimani abotoro ndachi abongochi.
No, na serious no ndati ko igore kanisa. Bantu mbachi I know tacha bantu mbaichole.
Abantu mbaichole. Bantu barabunga abagoichole. Abantu kwisi kanisa ujende ons.
Uma etobo kimabwabero bokong I was naisaraza ne karamu ne kitabu. Ways to become rich in Kenya. Anana gusi.
Pasta.
1 uko igore kanisa. Number 2 will shock you. You got the number 2. Guess.
Kwenye green card.
No green card number 3.
Okay. Kumenya nyanjo.
No. Number 2, it will shock you.
I can't guess.
Oko nyoma. Marriage is a source of employment.
For who?
For both man and woman.
Okay, explain.
Example. Sahi no maite tota vende single. Karena jire ba no maite rengango spend.
A lot, probably.
Yes, chiba say renga average liga.
Average. Eso botuko tabe 10,000.
10,000. Matukare ngokonywe wiki.
Tabe average.
An average drinker drinks daily.
Okay. What's the average drinker?
Average Kenyan drinker drinks daily.
Daily, okay.
Quantity na rego change. Wanaka 10,000 times what about kabere? 3 days. That's Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
30.
Monday we go to see a lock. Tuesday we go new very Wednesday is night. Thursday in TBT. Well, like what average. Together daily.
Okay. Yeah.
But the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday go to me ajibu komi 30. But kaya ando tebe 2,000. That is 4 times 2, which 8. Tebe another 10. So monto go to me 40,000 a week on alcohol, entertainment, and women.
Yes.
Eno monto tanyo ameti. Times 4.
What? 160.
40 times 4. 160,000.
Yes.
Taibo?
Yes.
You on alcohol and beverages. You go to that dates. Orangelo musubatiga. Omo ya felibu. Muri endageribu basejiri bubere. Umugolere wine. Kinechiri bubere. You know, an average date also with one woman takes 10,000.
Yes.
Chidetire ngomo sacha average, an average kisimana la tuare in a week.
Ibere.
Chideti ibere. Igual para Saturday na Sunday. Saturday yo muguzira boko rangire basubati babere.
Oh, wow.
Sunday batatu. Okay. Yo weekend 5. Wiki kati yangu etiole kabere gatatu. I don't have 10 dates a week. Ejire mia moja. Wako mutienyi ine mia ine wako menderi 160.
Okay.
Wako manga jiba si uboyo, otomero mongi na jiba si kiombe. You see, an average kisi man to survive when my God you are happy. You need to spend almost at least $500,000 a month. Abutora make investment.
To invest.
Igotoro jese ko nyoma, you will save almost 500,000.
Well, true.
Yeah, very true.
Yes.
So, ways of becoming rich igore kanisa uso nyome.
Yes. Nyoma. Those of you unmarried.
Nyoma.
Nyoma. Unaye?
Ntagere ngo nyome.
Shaka.
Yazo na goboli. Assuming assuming yongeraba. Nataka ko nyoma, but stebe gwanjire. Will you want a church wedding or a traditional wedding? Was a civil.
Civil.
Civil nere liyo kwenda mwadisi.
Civil nere mwadisi.
Bantombacha.
Bantombacha.
You want a budget, you gonna just say you don't want publicity.
A budget, first of all, and also, Aki, there is no need for all those people.
Bosa bantu bano bataita bange oroje ka baraje ko sai.
Ando maende oraje ko bodi na ngoria and then
onde bwensi obwate getango kende.
Ekanise salire.
Okwana bono bosokire. Ekanise muna umwaje Trubena bago na boss.
I cannot trust people. No.
Sivo.
Sivo is the way to go.
Nje sivo tingotaka. Nje traditional.
Oh, okay.
Eri ni bukurangeria bagaka geta batuletiga. Bantu gete kwa bribe. Which you can walk in and walk out anytime. Ma ete squeeze bantu babera bakora.
Aha.
Okonyo montaki abise de chinchara. Enchara ke koero soki chinchara.
Chinchara ke koero chinchara ke gocha.
Unajua unaoa mtu mwenye ako njaa.
Oh.
Kwa muruso kwa murageli enchara ya era chinchara chia soka. Igwa bagaka igeke gutwa iga mwagiri iga bwangu ara chinchara tiko soko matewe ndagotigira ngorobo mubonde nyoma muntu mungao
Okori ge exit plan utarachaga none nyoma
batigango ndakubori mwanje Trubena priorities chao in life nchiri chikeko gara I don't see need moko egana no sorrow for many years mutego kore nyangi toko nyoro muntu ore serious muna nyengo ko egala roma bitokore nyangi
abugo kwanza mani by the way because osoro na muganyire for a while na ara tembi na paka na arwani nchendu aniri mnande
osoro ma ezagoro ku young foolish and handsome
interviews mbiri kwa tabesa
yaza ta kwa interviews
yani okukumia
waro mo to healthy hardworking ambitious political polygamous
Kapos polygamous no kwa ino manuka.
Polygamous
tege ntia. Pasma dibani kwa letrega.
No. Okwega no konyoma ne ntia ngao. Me have never been married.
You've never been. But okwega kwa igire sana.
Okwega bono. Kero muntu Kenya nkwega redi. Neri sometimes bagukana. Na bokwega bantu mia muntu wote wita bano yo muna rita type yao. Agora agora hizo muntu lio kwero wakera chisimilio kalio kanolio totakete.
So true, that is so true, yeah.
Muzwati ketanga njita ngoro kondo kahani na iguburu. Yani kunya kwa sabarito in public akitanda ngiri hani. Babe, au gora. Moji na function ara gora ngiri ko goal post yetu another goal post. Babe. Wacha kuombi. Niguzie huyo. Lakini ulipwanjete no message tayo the babe.
Tao kwa babe.
Silent.
Yeah.
Anyway. Welcome back to NDIZI TV. We had missed you. Nakonya nako missile.
Nako missile.
Yeah?
Nako missile.
Wandu bari bangi yako complaining nako ebintu free. Anyway, I can't wait to auction your love.
Yes.
I might auction you.
Yes.
You give it to the highest bidder.
Of course.
So welcome back to NDIZI TV. Notore the whole team. Chumera na bantu na antivirus, Osoro the actor, Buchaveri. Kwa Misri wakitinera.
Gesare.
Nyomenda, nimemiss Nyomenda.
Yeah, it's been a minute. Yes.
Ntobwate sigara.
Yes.
And then ntobwate sigati, ntobwate babo yunuke.
Yeah. So,
Nyareso.
It's been a minute since the last time tulifanya play paka bonaiga, but we are back. Toiranire no tora mobuna NDIZI TV family. Igo Pochimotuga, you are going to see us often. Togokora manganaito.
Me and Okiondo family.
Yes.
Me and
Okiondo family. Me as part of the Okiondo family. So I want to say no,
you move on with who is ready.
Yes.
One not in a big mafta.
No.
Ano mede epigi netwara mafuta bado ngotagero weke enyorore kelisi na wonyoro wata mafuta ekini nyoro do ngwaza ko nepigi uko iwe kunya kubonga keke kwanza ro tarre chume ya magara mawakawe kwanza ro kunya weekend ra banga mutioke sengo tiokara maru ero buga kwa mwanjiro nya kwega Majaribu kwa barabara. Aye. Tiganto sikia bantu mono. Join us. Ipini ko chakabire. Coming soon. What coming soon? We say coming now.
Coming now. Actually now. That is soon, no, you know. Coming now.
Actually, come to think of it, there's nothing like coming soon. I've never heard it.
Idiot.
Aye, kwa heri. Tumerane subscribe.
Yes.
Tungoje weka notification. Thank you guys.
Like hapo hivi, share.
Comment.
Kwanza comment hapo muhimu. Na watu mwenye si comment by the way. Yes.
And the wave.
Wow.
By the YouTube inafa introduce hapo. Nini ya wave. Yeah? $1 by the year menta sai monta nataka kutumira 28 na kutumira 13.
Shilling ya available sasa.
Yes,
you know.
So welcome back.
Welcome back people.
Yes.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Ine kwabiri gukuriye birugamo n'ikimese cyurabeka sabishi yawo bono Neyland Furnitures niko babwate kimesa amo nebiruga ibyo birose yamo n'ubumanyi bw'igoro mbabwate office linking waiting chairs, mesh waiting chairs, boardroom chairs and tables, executive desks, counter chairs, orthopedic chairs egati yebintu binde binge igo bagotuka asuno cyuri obusungo asamagajo a Uhuru Power Headquarters irongo ryali tangani ime yomo cyuri obusungo boigo mbabwa torosegero ndime yechinsamo kire cya Kisumu asamaga cyamanyikanta na Mega City Plaza asamange bakirisi migwetera sinamba enoti sarabire ejyamo enoti inye ejyamo inye isarabire inye usigwetera sinambende enoti sarabire isaronesatu ibere inye ejyamo inye isarabire inye. Neyland Furniture, simply elegant for quality home and office furniture.